Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to build sales funnels with AI in Go High Level. Now this tool makes a process of creating funnels incredibly easy and efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use AI to design professional funnels tailored to your business goals. But before we dive into the details, let me give you a special offer. Normally, if you go through Go High Level's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900 alone, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, before we jump into the steps, let's briefly go over what a sales funnel actually is. So a sales funnel is essentially a step-by-step process designed to guide potential customers toward making a purchase. It starts with capturing their interest, nurturing that interest, and finally leading them to take action, whether that's buying a product, signing up for a service, or any other goal that you have in mind. Now let's dive into the main topic of this tutorial: how to create a sales funnel with AI in Go High Level. So to create a sales funnel with AI in Go High Level, the first step is to ensure that you are on the correct sub-account. Once you're in your sub-account, navigate to the Sites tab in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this tab will bring you to the Sites dashboard, where you'll see a variety of options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Funnels section, which is the first option on the dashboard. Here you will see a list of any funnels that you've previously created. But since we're starting fresh, you'll need to click on the New Funnel button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. This will bring up three options for creating a new funnel: from blank, Funnel AI, and from templates. Since we're focusing on building a funnel with AI, go ahead and select the second option, Funnel AI, then click Continue. Now, after selecting the Funnel AI option, you'll be prompted to provide some basic details about your business. Now, this information will help the AI generate a funnel that's tailored to your needs. In the name of the business field, enter the name of your business. For this example, we'll use marketing agency. Next, select your industry from the drop-down menu. Since our example business is a marketing agency, we'll choose internet marketing service as the industry. Before moving on, it's important to note that each sub-account in Go High Level comes with 5 free AI-generated funnels. Now, once you've used up these 5 free credits, you'll need to pay 99 cents for each additional AI-generated funnel. Once you've entered your business name and selected your industry, click the Next button to proceed. The next step is to provide the AI with information about your design preferences. Now, this is where you'll define the structure and tone of your funnel, ensuring that it aligns with your business goals and brand identity. Go High Level gives you 3 options to guide the design process. First, specify the main goal of your funnel. For instance, in our example, we'll enter internet marketing services as the goal. Now, this step helps the AI understand what you want to achieve with your funnel. Second, choose the action that you want to take after the funnel is built. For example, you might select generate more leads if your focus is on attracting new potential customers. Now, this ensures that the AI generates a funnel tailored to lead generation strategies. Third, define the tone of the content for your funnel. Now, you can choose from options like friendly, professional, or inspirational. For this tutorial, we'll go with the friendly tone to create an approachable and engaging sales funnel. Once you've filled out the design preferences, click the Generate button to let Go High Level's AI process your information. After you hit Generate, Go High Level's AI will take a few moments to create your sales funnel. During this time, the system analyzes the information that you've provided, including your business name, industry, and design preferences, to generate a professional funnel tailored to your needs. Now, once Go High Level finishes generating the funnel, you'll see a professional, fully designed funnel. The AI handles every aspect, including images, content, buttons, navigation, and even testimonials displayed at the bottom of the funnel. Alongside these, it also includes a facts section, ensuring all common customer queries are addressed right away. The result is a funnel that looks polished and is ready to use with minimal adjustments. Although the AI-generated funnel is impressive and nearly complete, Go High Level leaves room for customization to match your specific business needs. Now, this is where you can make it uniquely yours. The first thing that you might want to customize is the logo. Adding your logo is straightforward. Simply click on the Logo Here option option at the top left side of the funnel. Now this will open the right menu. Scroll down to the brand logo config option. Here you can either paste a link to your logo or upload it directly from your computer. To upload, click the image icon, then hit the upload button on the pop-up window that appears. Select the logo file from your computer and upload it. You can also update the logo at the bottom of the sales funnel using the same process. Next, you can update the contact us information. Under this section, you can edit your email, phone numbers, and location details. Now these updates help you personalize the funnel and make it more relevant to your audience. If you want to go further, you can also add or customize additional elements. To do this, click on the plus button at the left side of the funnel editor. Now this opens up a range of options including sections, rows, and elements. Once you're satisfied with your changes, there are 3 key steps to finalize the funnel. Number 1, save your changes by clicking the save button. This ensures that all of your edits are preserved. Number 2, preview your funnel to see how it appears to your audience. Click on the eye icon, which represents the preview option. Now this will open up your funnel in a new tab, allowing you to review it from a visitor's perspective. And then number 3, when you're happy with your funnel, go ahead and click the publish button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking you to select a domain for your funnel. If you don't already have a domain, you can add one by clicking on the add option. Once the domain is set, click save to publish your funnel and make it live. And so that's it. That's how you can easily create a professional sales funnel with AI. Go High Level saves you time and gives you a professional, ready-to-go funnel built for your business. If you'd like to give Go High Level a try, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. Instead of the usual 14 days, my link is going to give you a full 30 days to try it out free. As a bonus, you'll also get access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course to help you set up your business during those 30 days. Go High Level's features can be overwhelming, but my course focuses on what truly matters to help you start making money right away. Plus, you're going to receive over $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates for free, including the Business Hub and Finance Hub. Just click the link in the description to learn more and to claim your bonuses. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.